So in this video, I'm going to teach you on how to find your USA suppliers for your dropshipping business on AliExpress. So first, you need to open your web browser and search for the aliexpress.com. Make sure to log in using your account and navigate to the search bar for you to be able to search for which product you're going to do with your drop shipping business. Like for example, I wanted to search in for some speakers, and when I clicked on that, you will see a bunch of options will pop up. But in this case, for example, I wanted this one to be in my drop shipping business. Just click on it, and for you to be able to confirm whether it is on the USA or it's from the US, you will see on the free shipping or the shipping options right here, which is the country that it will came from. Like for example, it ships from the United States. So that's a confirmation that this product came from US. So it is a supplier from US. So for you to able to do it on your drop shipping business, just contact the supplier or just contact the store manager, and then just ask them if they would agree if you will do a drop shipping business using their products.